Let's dive into the top juices that will transform your skin from dull to dazzling. First up, we have carrot juice. Packed with beta-carotene, it helps repair skin tissues and protects against sun damage. Plus, it's super tasty. Next, green juice. Think kale, spinach, and cucumber. This powerhouse combo is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that detoxify your skin, leaving you with a radiant complexion. And don't forget about beet juice. It's loaded with iron, potassium, and vitamin C. This magical mix purifies blood and fights inflammation, giving you that natural blush. Now let's talk about aloe vera juice. It's not just for sunburns. Drinking aloe vera juice hydrates your skin from within and fights acne, making your skin smooth and supple. Finally, pomegranate juice. Bursting with polyphenols, it protects your skin from premature aging and boosts collagen production. Say hello to youthful, firm skin. So, there you have it. Incorporate these juices into your daily routine and watch your skin transform. Cheers to flawless skin and good vibes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty tips. Catch you later.